a train travel 360 km at uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find speed of the train. We will consider speed of the train as x km per hour. We write let the speed of the train is equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay. Now by speed equal to the distance upon time, by speed equal to distance upon time, speed is x kilometer per hour. It travel 360 kilometer distance. In time we consider that t hours. So xt here will get 360 and t here we get 360 by x. Okay. We will consider the speed of the train as x kilometer per hour and we consider that 360 kilometer it will travel in t hours. Then by speed equal to distance upon time, x equal to 360 by t and xt is equal to 360 and t is equal to 360 by x. Now it is said that if the speed is 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. If we increase the speed by 5 km per hour, then the speed will become x plus 5. Then the same distance 360 km, the train travel in 1 hour less. Then now speed will become x plus 5 km per hour and time will become t minus 1 hour. But the distance remains the same. Now this we multiply here. It is x plus 5 into t minus 1 is equal to 360 we get. We multiply this inside. This is xt minus x plus 5t minus 5 is equal to 360. xt we put from here is 360. At the place of this xt we write 360 minus x plus 5. T we write from here 360 by x. This is 360 by x at the place of t minus 5 is equal to 360. By this 360 we cancel and we will take x LCM. So it is minus x square plus 5 into 360 will be 1800 minus 5x upon x is equal to 0 we get. That x what we get in the denominator we cross multiply to 0, it will become 0. All the terms we multiply by minus sign, we will get as x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation that can be solved by formula method. X we will get minus b, that is minus 5 plus minus under root b square, that is 5 square, 25 minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is minus 1800 upon 2 into a is 1. Now x we will get minus 5 plus minus under root 25 minus plus 1800 into 4 will be 7200. Okay, so 18 4s are 72, this 00 same we write by 2. X we will get minus 5 plus minus under root 7200 plus 25 is 7225 by 2. Then x we will get minus 5 plus minus under root of 7225 is 85 by 2. Then what we get? X we get minus 5 plus 85 by 2. We will take positive sign. Then that will be 80 by 2, that is 40 kilometer per hour. And one more value minus 45 we will get, that we will reject. So the speed of the train we will get is 40 kilometer per hour. two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 integer 3 by 8 hours, the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. We will consider, you see this is the tank, this is the tap of a smaller diameter and this is the tap of larger diameter. We consider the tap of smaller diameter can fill the tank in X hours separately, and the tap of larger diameter can fill the tank separately in X minus 10 hours. You see, if we consider, let the tap of smaller diameter can separately fill the tank in X hours, and the tap of larger diameter can fill the tank in X minus 10 hours. Okay. We consider the tap of smaller diameter can separately fill the tank in X hours, and the tap of larger diameter can separately fill the tank in X minus 10 hours. You see, if the tap of a smaller diameter fill the tank in X hours, therefore 1 upon X part of the tank can be filled by this tap in 1 hour. Therefore 1 upon X part of the tank can be filled by the tap of smaller diameter in 1 hour. In the same way, the tap of larger diameter can fill the tank in X minus 10 hours. Therefore 1 upon X minus 10th part of the tank can be filled by this tap in 1 hour, and 1 upon X minus 10th part of the tap of larger diameter can be filled in 1 hour separately. Okay. If that tap of a smaller diameter alone work, then X hours it take to fill the tank completely. Then 1 upon X part of the tank can be filled in 1 hour. If tap of larger diameter alone work, then X minus 10 hours it take to fill the tank completely. Then 1 upon X minus 10th part of the tank it will fill in 1 hour. If both together work, if both the taps work together, then 1 upon X part of the tank can be filled by the smaller diameter tap, and 1 upon X minus 10. This much part of the tank can be filled by the tap of larger diameter. If we add, the total part can be filled. This much part of the tank can be filled by both the taps together in 1 hour. And in 9 integer 3 by 8 hours, the tap filled completely. So multiply it by 9 integer 3 by 8 to get 1, that is the complete tank. Okay, this will be 75 by 8, and here we take LCM. LCM will be X into X minus 10. this will be x minus 10 plus x is equal to 1. This will be 75 into 2x minus 10 is equal to 8x into x minus 10. You see, this 75 we take here, this 8 we multiply here. This x into x minus 10 also we multiply here, and it will be 2x minus 10. From here we take 2 common. It is 2 into 75, x minus 5 is equal to 8x into x minus 10. By this 2, this 8 we cancel, we will get here 4. This is 75x minus 75 into 5, 375 is equal to 4 we multiply inside 4x square. It is 4x into x, 4x square minus 4x into 10, it is 40. 4 into 10, 40x we get. Now, these two terms we shift here. It is 4x square minus 40x minus 75x will be minus 115x. And this will be plus 375 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation we get. That is the word problem we converted into the quadratic equation form. Now we solve this quadratic equation by same formula method. We can write x is equal to minus b. b is here minus 115 plus minus under root b square. b square means minus 115 square minus 4ac. a is 4 and c is 375 upon 2 into a. a is 4. We get x is equal to 115 plus minus under root 1 minus 115 square is 13225 minus 4 4s are 16. 16 into 375 is 6000 upon 4 2s are 8. It is x is equal to 115 plus minus under root. From 13,225, if we subtract 6,000, we will get 7,225 upon 8 same. Now x is equal to 115 plus minus. Square root of 7,225 is 85 upon 8. Then x we will get plus 115 plus minus 85 by 8. Once we take positive and once negative sign. When we take negative sign, this is an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore, without taking into consideration the time they stop at the intermediate station. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train, then we have to find the speed of the two trains. We consider a speed of the passenger train as x km per hour. We write let the speed of the passenger train is equal to x km per hour and speed of express train is equal to x plus 11 km per hour. We consider speed of the passenger train as x km per hour and speed of the express train we consider x plus 11 km per hour. Now, by speed equal to distance upon time, speed of the passenger train is x km per hour. It travel 132 km distance in t hours we consider. Okay, this is for passenger train. for passenger train, we apply the formula speed equal to distance upon time. Speed of the passenger train we considered as x kilometer per hour. It travel 132 kilometer distance in t hours. Okay. So t we cross multiply here, we will get xt is equal to 132 and t we will get 132 by x. Now we talk about the express train. We write for the express train. Okay, speed of the express train is x plus 11 kilometer per hour. It travel the same distance 132 kilometer in 1 hour less time. That is, time now will become t minus 1 hour. This we cross multiply here. It is x plus 11 into t minus 1 is equal to 132. Multiply inside. It is xt minus x plus 11t minus 11 is equal to 132. Xt we put as 132 minus x plus 11 into t. What is the value of t? 132 by x minus 11 is equal to 132. By this 132 we cancel this 132 and x we take LCM. So it is minus x square plus 11 into 132 is 1452. Okay, minus 11x upon x we get in the denominator, that we cross multiply to 0. It will be 0. We will get as x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, we solve this quadratic equation by formula method. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula. We put the values in this formula. We'll get x is equal to minus b. What is the value of b? It is 11 plus minus under root b square, that is 11 square 121 minus 4 a is 1 and c is minus 1452 upon 2 into a is 1. This will become x is equal to minus 11 plus minus under root 121 minus plus multiply 1452 to 4, we will get 5808 upon 2 same. Now x we get minus 11 plus minus under root. This we add to 121. We will get as 5929 by 2. Now we will find the square root of 5929. We will get it as 77 by 2. So if we take here positive sign, then 77 minus 11 will be 66 by 2, 33 kilometer per hour. And when we take negative sign, it will be 88 by 2, that is 44 negative kilometer per hour. This we will reject. Therefore, the speed of the passenger train will get 33 kilometer per hour and the speed of the express train 33 plus 11, that is 44 kilometer per hour. So at last, the answer can be written as, the final answer will be, therefore the speed of the passenger train is equal to 33 km per hour and the speed of the express train will be 33 plus 11 is equal to 44 km per hour. the sum of two squares, the sum of area of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, then we have to find the side of the two squares. We consider the side of the bigger square is x meter and the side of the smaller square is y meter. Area of the bigger square will be x square and area of the smaller square will be y square. We write, let the side of the bigger square is equal to x meter and the side of the smaller square is equal to y meter. Okay, side of the bigger square we consider as x meter and the side of the smaller square we consider as y meter. Now it is given that sum of their area. What is the area of bigger square? If its side is x meter, then its area will be x square meter square. And if the side of the smaller square is y, then its area will be y square meter square. Okay. Then it is given that the sum of their area, that is x square plus y square, is given as 468. And the difference of their perimeter. What is the perimeter of bigger square? It is 4x meter. And perimeter of the smaller square is 4y meter. The difference of the perimeter is given as 24. Okay, so 4x minus 4y is equal to, we'll get 24. Then x minus y, what we get? It is 6 divided by 4. Then y we get x minus 6. Okay, this is equation number 1. This we consider equation 1 and this we consider equation 2. From equation 2, the value of y, x minus 6, we put in 1. In 1, x square minus y square. Y we can put as x minus 6 square is equal to 468 we get. Now it is x square. This will be plus x square plus 36 minus 12x is equal to 468. Okay, this will be 2x square. 2x square minus 12x plus 36 minus 468 is equal to 0. It is 2x square minus 12x minus 432 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. All the terms are divisible by 2, so we divided by 2. It will be x square minus 6x minus 216 is equal to 0. Now we obtain two numbers. Their sum or difference should be 6 and product should be 216. Such two numbers are 18 and 12. We can write as x square minus 18x plus 12x minus 216 equal to 0. From this 2 we take x common, so it will be x minus 18. And from this 2 we take plus 12 common, so this is x minus only 18. Now we will take from here x minus 18 common, so another bracket we will get with x plus 12 equal to 0. Then x we will get 18 and minus 12. This minus 12 we will reject because the side of the square cannot be negative. So what is x we get? X we will get as 18. And y is equal to, from here we will get y as 18 minus 6 is equal to 12 meter. Okay. So the final answer can be written as, therefore, the side of the bigger square is equal to 18 meter and the side of the smaller square is equal to 18 minus 6 is equal to 12 meter.